why is reverse rotation important? So in the vertical axis, reverse rotation doesn't really do a whole lot for us. But in the horizontal axis, if you're welding clockwise, your vertical up is on one side of the bore, and it's always a little bit more lumpy on the way uphill. It just doesn't look as nice as the vertical downside. And what ends up happening is if you try to weld in the same direction again over that pass, what you end up with is magnifying the problems that you had on the first pass. And so reversing rotation direction actually makes everything just get really, really easy. There are camps of thinking that suggest that you're going to build up more on one side than the other, but my main interest is really just making it easier to weld. So I weld one pass clockwise, next pass counterclockwise, the next pass clockwise again, and so on. And you never really have to go in there and try and remachine out, which you would do if you kept going in the same direction.